Hi, my name is Ray. This is my page. It'll all only consist of A.B.A, Applied Behavioral Analysis. I'm actually on my pursuit currently in a master's program to obtain my BCBA and my master's. We're currently working on SAFMEDS, which are basically A.B.A terminology, and they gave me like the lists of all these words that we have to define. So my whole purpose or intent of making this video is for auditory learners like myself. For example, like it's also helpful, like if you're working out or on a run, like you can hear me just read you off these definitions and it'll be helpful. It's going to help me out too. So it's a win-win situation. So here we go. The first word is ABC recording, which is a form of direct continuous observation in which the observer records a descriptive, temporally sequenced account of all behaviors of interest and the antecedents and consequences for those behaviors as they occur in the natural environment. The next one, number 2, antecedent, an environmental condition or stimulus change occurring prior to a behavior of interest. 3, behavior, the activity of living organisms. 4, behavioral assessment, a full range of inquiry methods to identify target behaviors and probable antecedent and consequent controlling variables. 5, behavioral cusp, a behavior that has sudden and dramatic consequences that extend well beyond the idiosyncratic change itself because it exposes the person to new environments, reinforces contingencies, responses, and stimulus controls. 6, acceleration, the change, acceleration or deceleration in rate of responding over time. 7, clear definition, readable and unambiguous so that an observer could read it and readily paraphrase it accurately. 8, complete definition, discriminates between what is and what is not an instance of the target behavior. 9, consequence, a stimulus change that follows a behavior of interest. 10, count, a simple tally of the number of occurrences of a behavior. 11, data, the results of measurements usually in quantified form. 12, dimensional quantity, the particular feature of an object or event that is measured. 13, the dimensional quantities of behavior, which are repeatability, temporal extent, and temporal locus. 14, direct assessment, information about a person's behavior is collected as it occurs. 15, discrete trial, any operant whose response rate is controlled by a given opportunity to emit the response. 16, duration, the total extent of time in which a behavior occurs. 17, environment, all of the stimuli that affect behavior in a given moment of time. 18, event recording, a measurement procedure for obtaining a tally or count of the number of times a behavior occurs. 19, free operant, any operant behavior that results in minimal displacement of the participant in time and space. It can be admitted at nearly any time. It is discrete, it requires minimal time for completion, and it can produce a wide range of response rates. 20, frequency rate, a ratio of count per observation time. And that's all I'm going to stick with for now.